All right, guys. I'm going to be making this video available for you to be able to get your Quillbot Pro. All right, Quillbot Pro version. That is the essence of me doing this video for you right now. But please, if this is your first time of coming on board, all right, to this channel, right, I need you to subscribe to our channel so that YouTube can make it available for others to see. All right, thank you for doing that for me. God bless you. Okay, so I will need to go get Kiwi browser. All right, Kiwi browser. Get it down installed into your phone. Okay, I'm using my phone right now, my smartphone. So get that. Okay, so when you do it, you're going to click on Kiwi browser. When you have done that, I will need to go to the Quillbot site. Okay, just type quillbot.com. You're going to have this coming up here, right? Okay, so when you get quillbot.com, all right, this is it. Just get quillbot.com. Now I already have my Quillbot Pro version before, but I want to use this as an opportunity to show you how you can get it. So what you do is put your email. So I'm going to use a different email now so that you can see how it's being done. I'm going to use this email. Yeah, this email I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to put my password. All right, so just give me some time. All right, so I've put my password. Now next thing I'm going to do is to put my name. All right, just add your name. Okay, it's formality anyway. You can put anything there. All right, so when you have done that, you can say, please don't send me marketing. Whatever, if you want that, just click on this button. If you don't want them to send you marketing stuff, click on that. But if you don't want that, just leave it blank and then click on continue. So on continue, it's going to sign you in, right? So you have already signed. You can save it if you want to. Now, personalize Quillbot, knowing how you can use Quillbot, help us improve it. Okay, in English language, yes, do that. Most of my writing is used for school or work. Okay, just put in anyone you can just try to put school. All right, for formality, what is the education level? You can put, let's say, high school and all that. Okay, you can put graduate if you want to. Now guys, just hold on, let me quickly do all of this. I will come back to you. And they're saying you are all set, Tamke, right? So what we're going to do is you can actually add it to Chrome. All right, the Chrome extension, you can click on that. Okay, to Chrome extension, you can do that so that it can help you to do a lot of things. You don't need to come back again and again. Now I'm going to make a link available for you. All right, this link, I'm going to make this link available for you under this video description. All right, I'm going to make this available for you. All right, so you're going to click on this or the description, and then you're going to download it. I've already downloaded it. Okay, so that is a crack. Okay, that is a zip file you're going to download. So when you have done that, you're going to come back to your Kiwi browser. All right, then you click on extensions. Click on extensions. All right, when you click on extensions, you're going to have from store, from zip, you're going to have pack extension, you're going to have update. Click on from zip. All right, from zip, just click on that, and then when you do that, you go to locate where the file is. Click on files, and then go to locate where it is located. Now you can see this is where my file is located. This is the file. I have two versions of, because I repeated the kind of, right. So I'm going to click on this one. Just click on it once, and then it's going to come up here. All right, it's going to be installed for you. All right, so just hold on. Guys, when you have done that, it's going to be installed, okay, to your phone like this, to your phone, now remember you are using Kiwi browser, right? So you're going to come like this, and then you're going to have this. Now if you go back to, now let's go back to Kiwi, right? We'll go back to our browser. Let's open a tab, and let's go type in Quillbot again. Let's type in Quillbot. Okay, quillbot.com. Do that, and they're going to come like this. All right, so now when you refresh this, you already have your Pro version, your premium version already. All right, automatically. Just give it the time. Going to show here. All right, you're going to have it here. All right, so let's try something. Okay, you can see that, right? This is the premium version. I've already gotten that. You can see it's as simple as this. It doesn't make any difference. So guys, if you enjoy this video, if you like this video, please, okay, like I said, click on our subscription bell, and then YouTube can be able to share it to others. That's the only thing you can do for us. All right, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please let me know. I'm going to get it done for you. God bless you. Have a wonderful time over there.